Hi, my name is Gul, and I was a non-IT person. So I started NetSoft 2 years back. So I finished my course and I get the job very successfully. So I get my certification Microsoft MCSA, MCSE, VMware VCA, VCP, Citrix 7.6, and MCTP, and Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Azure, Office 365. So this is the all certification I did in this college. One of my friend, he referred me NetSoft. I think so. I joined it, and that is the best decision in my life what I did. In this diploma, I took almost 11 training courses. That was I think so awesome. The quality of training, I find out it is so good here. I had experience like in the different colleges, and I find out NetSoft is the best training, and they doing very work hard with all the students. The difference I find out, they have a very good practice in the hands-on training, and I really like it. The trainer, they are so good, they are so hardworking. They're taking too much time to teach us. If I have one question we don't understand, they tell us 100 times, even though like they put more efforts and more hours. So that's really, I feel it difference here. So the training hours is a little bit long, but that's good. Like I'm okay with that, because as in the end of the day, you're learning a lot, and it is helpful for the future. I find the challenging here trainer, they are pushing a little bit about the certification, about the homework and assignment, but still like this is a requirement of the training, and we have to do it, and everybody does. The NetSoft trainer and training is great, but the other hand, like you have to forget your social life a little bit, because if you putting that much hours, I think so you have to be sacrificed one hand, but still you get something in the end of the day. I find out in the NetSoft a lot of people in my batch, in the previous batch, and very old batch. I think so everybody get the very good job. Some of them, like I know them, they are in SME position, they are in IT director, and they are making a very good money. And even though in my class a lot of people, they get the job. So I think so this is a very good result about this college. So that's awesome. So the hours I put almost in a week, 25 hours and 25 to 30 hours, because we have to do some labs and we have to do theory too. So it's almost 35 hours. I think so that's very ideal to go long. So I get very good support from this college to prepare my resume, to finding the job, and prepare myself in the interviews. And sometimes you don't know what you're doing, but these people, they tell you, they teach you exactly what should be. I learned a lot in this college. I must say, like I just changed my life. Like I built up so much skills, and I will go be a very successful lady because of this college. My favorite training is Citrix and Hire Me. That's awesome because Citrix, I must say, like I was thinking, oh my God, Citrix is very difficult. How I'm gonna learn that? But in this college, the trainer teaches us from the history of the Citrix, like, and that was the best class in my life. Like I find out, I get so much detail, so much knowledge, because Citrix is very difficult product, but the trainer make it so easy. And the Hire Me, of course, like it's just built up all the skills, and very good way like I can achieve my goals. I strongly recommend NetSoft because of the training and the results, and in the short time you just get a lot of best result in this college. So in the last, my message, or you can say my advice for people who is watching my video, this is the great college. Honestly, I feel it, this is my second home, and I recommend people, like if they want to change the career, they want to join with NetSoft training, I think so that is the best platform, you will get that. And for myself, like if I get all the opportunities, any new courses, definitely I will the first person to join this college again.